Strawberries are luscious, heart-shaped fruits renowned for their vibrant red color, juicy texture, and sweet tart flavor. They belong to the Fragaria genus and are technically not true berries, but rather aggregate fruits, with seeds on the outside. Native to various temperate regions worldwide, strawberries thrive in mild climates and are cultivated extensively for their culinary and nutritional value. These berries are incredibly versatile, finding their way into a multitude of dishes, from desserts like pies, cakes, and ice creams, to savory salads, sauces, and even as a topping for pizzas. They're also commonly enjoyed fresh, either on their own or paired with cream or chocolate. Nutritionally, strawberries are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a nutritious addition to any diet. They're also low in calories, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Additionally, research suggests that strawberries may have various health benefits, including improved heart health, better blood sugar control, and even potential cancer-fighting properties, thanks to their antioxidant content.